Good morning to all of you, and once again welcome back to my channel Steam Mechanical. So before observing this video, please observe my previous video where I provide you the concept of such kind of questions and the point you have to notice during the solving of such kind of question. So let's solve the question. So before solving, carefully read the question. In arc welding process, the voltage and current are 25 volt and 300 ampere respectively. So they are provide you the voltage and current. The arc heat transfer efficiency is 0.85. Which efficiency it is? Heat transfer efficiency, and value is 0.85. Welding speed is also given 8 mm per second. The net heat input we have to find out, and please observe the unit joule per mm. Heat input we have to find out in joule per mm. This question is basically asked in GATE 2006. So in previous video I provide you the relation that voltage into current into transfer efficiency into melting efficiency is equal to your heat input into welding velocity into weld cross section area. Am I right? Now already I told, among these transfer efficiency and melting efficiency, if any one is not present, then simply consider is 1. So here heat transfer efficiency is provided, means this one is given but melting efficiency is not given. So simply you can take the melting efficiency as a 100%. Am I right? Next one, we have to find out the heat input in joule per mm. So if the heat input is in joule per mm, then there is no required to consider this weld area. Am I right? So if weld area is not considered when the joule per mm is the unit of heat input. So our relation will be voltage into current into transfer efficiency into heat input into simply velocity. So here each and everything is given. Suppose V is given 25 volt, current is given 300 ampere, transfer efficiency is given 0.85, heat input we have to find out, and velocity is given in 8 millimeter per second. Unit of speed is also given in millimeter per second. Suppose velocity is given in millimeter per minute, then simply we have to divide the velocity by 60 to get it in millimeter per second. Okay, with the help of calculator let's solve this one. 25 into 300 into 0.85 divided by 8, we are getting 796.875 as a heat input. 796.875, approximately you can get it as a 797 joule per mm. Let's solve the next one. In arc welding of a butt joint, the welding speed is to be selected such that highest cooling rate is achieved. Melting efficiency and heat transfer efficiency are 0.5 and 0.7 respectively. So 0.5 and 0.7 are is the melting efficiency and heat transfer efficiency. The area of the weld cross section is 5 mm square and the unit energy required to melt is 10 joule per mm cube. If the welding power is 2 kilowatt, the welding speed in mm per second is closest to. Okay, so what we have to find out the welding speed. Listen, we have a single equation, voltage into current into transfer efficiency into melting efficiency is equal to heat input into welding velocity into weld cross section area. Am I right? Now this voltage into current is nothing but your power. So they are provide you the power is given how much, 2 kilowatt. So 2 kilowatt, let it convert into watt. So 2 into 10 cube, this is your V into I. Then transfer efficiency is provide you the 0.7. Then melting efficiency is your 0.5. Am I right? Now unit melting energy, the unit melting energy is joule per mm cube. So simply, when the unit melting energy is joule per mm cube, area of the weld cross section area is also we have to consider. So we have to put the value of cross section area of weld also. Next one is the velocity, which one we have to find out. Okay, and cross section area of weld is 5 mm square. So unit of velocity also in mm per second, so don't worry about that. Whatever the answer we will be get from this relation, this one is also mm per second. So this one is our answer whatever they asked. Okay, in case of mm per second, if they are asked that mm per minute, then you have to multiply it by 60. Okay, so this is the different case. So here whatever we will be get from this relation, this one will be our answer. So simply let with help of calculator solve it. 2 into 10 cube into 0.7 into 0.5 divided by 10 into 5 means 50. So we are getting 14. Okay, so we are get the velocity is equal to 14, unit will be in mm per second. So this is our answer. So you are got the idea that how or which kind of question they asked. Here each and everything is given, simply they are asked the velocity. The unit is in joule per mm cube of the heat input. So we are considering the area of weld here. But in this question, unit is joule per mm, and also melting efficiency is not given. So we are not considering here melting efficiency, and also we are not considering the area of the welding cross section because unit is in joule per mm. So these two things you have to careful. Otherwise here in joule per mm cube, but you are remembering the whole equation, then you will be find out where the cross section of the welding area, but you will not be able to find out. This time you will be think that the question is wrong, but not like that. Okay, so I think you got the whole idea that how you have to solve such kind of question, depend on the availability of the data. So thank you. In this video, this one only. If you find that my video is helpful, then please like my video and subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. Thank you.